So welcome to our next video. In this video we're going to be showing you how to paint new plaster.
Check.
As we previously made a video on plastering, at least patching in, and that should be up somewhere here right now, hopefully. So this is the room that we use for a lot of our filming now. And because of that we've tidied it up, but we've also plastered this and never actually painted it. So that's why we're now going to be painting this. So a couple of quick points. Just make sure it's completely dry. That's a sort of pinky colour. If there's anywhere that's a bit shinier, the plasterers had to do some extra work, just give it a light sand. It really helps with the absorbency of the paint. And if there is anywhere that needs a quick little sand, a few bubbles, now's the time to do it. So the most important thing for the first coat is to water the emulsion down. You don't need a particularly good quality emulsion as long as it's a matte white. We're using a reasonable quality one because we're going to carry on with white. But if you're going to change colour, then you change it on the second coat. You water it down anything from 20 to 50% depending on how thick the emulsion is. You water it down and then apply it. Just be warned, it goes everywhere because you've watered it down, so you need to cover everything up. It's time to prep the room. Time to start painting. And one last quick tip, in between coats you can wrap both the brush and the roller in cling film and it stops them drying out, even if it's a couple of days. Applying the second coat of paint, this time with no water.